Morning students. Today exercise 4.3 question number 9. In this question, two water taps together can fill our tank in 9 into 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. In this case, we want to find out in how much time both taps can fill the tank. And here is a relation. What is this relation? That if these two water taps, they together can fill the tank in now, and next condition is the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So let time taken by tap of smaller diameter is equal to x hours. So second tap means of larger diameter. This tap, how much time it will take? The tap of larger diameter take 10 hours less than the smaller one. If smaller tap takes x hours to fill the tank, then this tap takes 10 hours less. So it means x minus 10 hours. These hours are taken by the larger diameter tap of larger diameter. Now in this case, we want to find out separate time in how much time both tap can fill the tank. So in this case, this is the total work. It means in this time, this tap can fill a completely, means one tank. Okay, so work of 1 hour. Here we want to find out the work of only 1 hour. So work of 1 hour of larger diameter tap. Larger diameter tap is equal to 1 upon x minus 10. Similarly, the work of 1 hour of smaller diameter tap will be equal to 1 by x. So work of 1 hour of smaller diameter tap, this will be equal to 1 upon x. Now this is the work of only 1 hour, and this is also the work of second tap of 1 hour. If we combine these work, then we can say that this is the total work of these two taps of only 1 hour. This is the work of only 1 hour. Now come to the next condition. Two water taps together can fill a tank in this time. So water tap together can fill tank equal to 9 into 3 by 8. 9 8 is 72 plus 3 is 75, 8 hours. In this hour, these two water tap can fill our tank completely. So what will be the work of 1 hour? So again, work of 1 hour is equal to 8 upon 75. 1 divided by this total time, then we obtain this is the work of only 1 hour of both the tap, and separate work also we have. So can we write down this term as x 1 upon x minus 10 plus 1 upon x is equal to 8 upon 75. Why? Because this is the work of 1 hour of tap, first tap, and this is our second tap. This is the work of second tap. So when we add, so this is the total work of two taps but only of 1 hour, and this is also the work of 1 hour. So we can compare these values, and when we compare, then we obtain this equation. Now take the LCM. X plus x minus 10 is 8 upon 75. 2x minus 10, and when we apply cross multiplication, then we obtain 2x minus 10 divided by x square minus 10x is equal to 8 divided by 75. So this term is twice of x minus 5 into 75 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. Now 2 4 ja 8 and this term is 75x minus 75 into 5. 5 5 ja 25. 5 7 ja 35 plus 2 is 37. 4x square minus 40x and we obtain this equation if we take this term to that side. So 4x square minus 40x minus 75x is minus 115x and this term is plus 375 equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic equation. Now we want to solve this equation. If you want to apply here quadratic formula, then you can. If you want to apply splitting the middle term, then also you can. So what will be the factors? 4 into 375 is 4 into 375 value. 4 5 ja 20, 4 7 ja 28 plus 2 is 30, 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 is 1500. 1500 is a number and we can write down this 115 as 100 and 15. These two terms we obtain 100 and 15. 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. From these two terms 4x is common, x minus 25 minus 15, x minus 25 equal to 0. From these two factors we obtain x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 15 divided by 4. And here x is equal to 15 by 4. This value is not possible. Why this value is not possible? Because here they are saying that these two water taps can fill the tank completely 75 by 8 hours. This is the time taken by two taps. And now we are saying that here this is the time taken by one tap. So this thing is not possible. This value is less than this term, but this must be time taken by one tap must be greater than the time taken by two taps. So that's why this value is not possible. So x is equal to 25 is the possible value, and when x is equal to 25, then the time taken by second tap is 25 minus 10 is 15 hours. So these are the answers.